You're busy. We get it. You're putting together estimates, you're going out to job sites, you've got paperwork, meetings, deadlines. Your days are full. Finding new projects sometimes gets lost in the sauce. But you don't want to miss anything either. Hi, I'm Chris Colabella from CIS. You've been getting our daily summary emails. Today, I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to use them and how to manage your email preferences so you can send yourself custom reports. Let's get started. Each weekday, your designated client services associate will send you a daily summary email. Here you'll find new and updated projects in every bid stage for the category of work you've specified. Scrolling down, we start with pre-planning. These are early stage projects, mostly private. You can see how many there are, whether they're new or updated, private or public. Planning stage is mostly private as well, and further along in the process. These are typically working their way through the planning departments, but they haven't named a general contractor yet. Scroll through to see what's new and what's been updated, and what's interesting to you. Out to bid is where you'll find the public projects. We list the brand new ones first, followed by the updates. If you're going into the website and tracking projects on a regular basis, you really only need to scan through the new projects. You'll be notified on your desktop when one of your tracked projects is updated. In fact, you can click through to your desktop from any one of these projects. Once you're on your desktop, you can just click to track the project. You can either use your email and go back and forth to your desktop to click and track other projects, or you can just go directly to your desktop, your daily email. It's the exact same report. Let's go back to the email and scroll down a little further to take a look at the bid results. I like to point out today is February 2nd, 2022, and these bid results are for jobs that bid yesterday. I had these in my inbox last night. We'll show you the project, the bid date, the location, the low bidder, and their bid price. Of course, you can click through to see all the bids. And finally, here are the negotiated jobs. These are private jobs that have already chosen a general contractor. If you're a subcontractor and you want to see the list of sub-requests in our system, you can just click this link and again, go to our website. You can see on our website where you find the sub-requests, and this will show you either in every subscription area or just your subscription area, the projects where a contractor is looking for a subcontractor and the details of what they're looking for. Now that we're on your desktop, I'll show you how to set up your email preferences. Click on My Account, select Website Preferences. Among other things, here you can change what general category of work you get delivered to your inbox, change whether you get that delivered to your inbox. Some people choose not to have this report emailed at all, either because they log in every day and don't need it, or because they email their custom reports instead. Here you'll see a list of your custom project reports. You can select any or all of them to be emailed to you. Don't forget to save your changes. You may wonder why not all of your custom reports show as options to be emailed. That's because contractor, owner, and design firm reports are so large, they're just too big to email. You'll find them right here on your desktop. Just to summarize what we've just looked at, Use your daily summary emails and/or your custom project emails to quickly go through the most important projects to you